Today we're going to take a look at the phrasal verb get on with. Wait a minute, didn't we just do this? No, that was get on. This is get on with. Another word has been added. Oh, okay. What does to get on with mean? To get on with means to have a good relationship with. Oh, I get on with my mother-in-law very well. I get along great with her. Got it. How about get on with, to proceed, especially after an interruption or disruption? For example, the cicada is making noise and I had to stop, but now I have to get on with the video. Oh, I have to start again after it interrupted me. Got it. Or it can mean to begin or commence. Okay, let's review. Get on with, to have a good relationship with, or to proceed, especially after an interruption or disruption. Why does English have this phrasal verb with only one more word that is still kind of, sort of, totally related to the other one, get on? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. Or two sentences. I get on with my flatmates very well. Sometimes they make it difficult to get on with my studies. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with get on with? Or do you have a phrasal verb that you want to get on with the learning about? Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.